Hello students, I welcome you all to today's amazing session. This is Aarti Pillai, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss a wonderful poem. As you can see over here, Sing a Song of People. Sing a Song of People. So students, Sing a Song of People is a poem that explains the fast-paced world. We all are busy, and it tells us how everyone is in a hurry nowadays. Everyone is in a hurry nowadays, you know it very well. Okay, and it does not matter where the people are going, the hurrying up is constant. Okay, so you will see them going here and there is a very hurried manner. It describes how people are in a hurry everywhere, either a subway or elevator. Even when it rains, that does not stop the pace. Okay, people keep moving with umbrellas to reach their destination. You see them rush for the taxis and ride the elevators as well. So, students, further it tells us how people who are even walking individually are ultimately part of a big crowd. And students, after that, the poem goes on to describe the different behaviors of people. Some like to talk in a loud manner while some remain quiet. No one has the time to even look at others. So, students, what we are going to do? Yes, exactly. We are going to read the poem. We are going to recite the poem. Okay, and we are going to underline the difficult words and we will come to know the meaning. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Shall I start? First we are going to recite the poem. Okay, so students, let's recite the poem, and this poem is written by Louis Lebensky. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. People on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxi, round and round and round. People with their hats on going in the doors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. People in tall buildings and in a store below. Riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd. People saying nothing, people talking loud. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too. People who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. So students, let's read the two stanza of this poem. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. So students, this poem perfectly captures the fast-paced world we are living in. हम बहुत busy life जी रहे हैं. We are living a very busy life. Okay, and as you know it very well that this poem is written by Louis Lansky. Okay, and students, this poem begins by telling us about how people are in hurry. As I told you, we all are in hurry every now and then. Okay, and it begins by telling us about the people who walk slow or fast. They are walking around the city up and down. Okay, you can see that everyone is in such a hurry. We all are in hurry. Okay, further you will find people walking on the sidewalks and on the buses as well. Okay, wherever you will see the people are in a hurry. Okay, they are busy, and it says, this poem says that you will find people in front of you as well as behind you, but they will always be there, but that too in a hurry. They all are in a hurry. Okay, now let's read this two stanza. People on the subway underneath the ground, people riding taxi round and round and round, people with their hats on going on the doors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours. So students, next the poem asks you to take a look at the people on the subway, okay, that is underneath the ground, subway underline students. Then the ones who are going somewhere in a taxi, everyone is going round and always in a hurry, okay. Moreover, the poem tells us that nothing stop people when they are in a hurry, okay. You cannot stop the people, okay. They all are busy, they all are in a hurry, okay. सभी लोग बिजी हैं, राइट. If there is too much sun, they will put their hats on and go on about their work, okay. Similarly, if it is raining, if there is sun, they will go on for work, they will go on about their work. And if there is rainy season or it is raining, people won't wait for the rain to stop, okay. What they will do? अम्ब्रेला घर पे होगा, अम्ब्रेला निकालेंगे और काम पे निकल जाएंगे, राइट. इंस्टेड दे विल टेक एन अम्ब्रेला एंड गो वेरेवर दे वांट टू हरीडली, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू कम टू स्कूल, जब स्कूल भी आते हो तो आपके यदि बारिश हो रही है तो मम्मा आपको घर पे रहने थोड़ी बोलती है, कम ऑन मूव टू स्कूल, somehow you have to go to school, right. Now let's read the next stanza. People in tall buildings and stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. So students, in this line, the poet, what the poet says? The poet says that here the poet says, and he sees people in tall buildings and in the stores, okay. एंड स्टोर्स दैट आर बिलो, जो कि स्टोर्स है जो टॉल बिल्डिंग है उसके नीचे है, हु आर राइडिंग द एलिवेटर एंड कीप्स गोइंग अप एंड डाउन. एलिवेटर दैट मीन्स लिफ्ट. एलिवेटर अंडरलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, एलिवेटर इज गिवन ओवर देयर, बिल्डिंग अंडरलाइन, राइडिंग अंडरलाइन, okay. So people are, they all are in a hurry, okay. Now what the poet says, and it keeps going up and down, the people keeps going up and down. It then tells us that what tells us, something interesting about crowds, okay. Crowds says what it says. The people states, not people, poem. The poem states that even though everyone is walking individually, they all make up a whole crowd, okay. यदि इंडिविजुअली अपना अपना चल रहे हैं, लेकिन सिंगल पीपल ही मिलके क्या बना देते हैं? क्राउड बना देते हैं, राइट. इन अदर वर्ड्स, while they are separated, they are still united. Some people will talk loud while some will keep mum. कोई पीपल जोर से बात करता है और कोई धीरे बात करता है, ओके. पीपल लाफिंग स्माइलिंग, ग्रम्पी पीपल टू, पीपल हु जस्ट हरी एंड नेवर लुक एट यू. सिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक टू कम एंड गो. सिंग ऑफ सिटी पीपल यू सी but never know. So students, you will see people laughing, smiling, being grumpy that means थोड़ा सा मुंह फुला के रहते हैं ना, being grumpy, but they will never look around. So the people ask you to sing a song of people, okay, who will keep coming and going. You will see them but you will never know they, as everyone is in a hurry. सभी पीपल अपने आप में बिजी है, सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं, क्राउड में हैं, बट सभी बिजी हैं, ओके. सो कंक्लूजन में वी कैन से दैट इन दैट poem students, the poem helps us take a look at the fast moving world through another perspective, okay. क्योंकि सभी बिजी हैं स्टूडेंट्स, मम्मी बिजी, पापा बिजी, योर ब्रदर सिस्टर, इफ़ यू विल मूव आउट यू विल सी द पीपल दे आर बिजी, ओके. इट अपील्स अस टू हॉल्ट एंड टेक अ मोमेंट टू लुक अराउंड एंड नॉट बी इन सच अ हरी एट ऑल टाइम्स. हमको हर समय बिजी नहीं रहना है, थोड़ा सा चारों तरफ भी देखना है कि क्या चल रहा है. So in this way I have come to an end of this poem, students. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you so much.